Hello guys, it's AV Judge here and we are back with another video tutorial. Okay guys, straight to the video. I'll be starting with a freshly washed hair. I washed my hair, then cream it, now sectioning it to make the styling very easy for me. Okay, now why sectioning this your hair? Don't bother if your pattern is straight or not. It doesn't matter. Just part your hair anyhow you want. Just part it, like section it in a way that it will make your work very fast and easy. Don't bother about the sectioning.
Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I'd do anything for you.
So now after sectioning your hair, you can now start working on each section. First of all, go in with your comb and comb it out. Make sure you tangle your hair very well. Okay, then part the hair. Straight or no straight is not important to this style. Just go ahead and part the hair like so. Use your clip and hold down the hair so that it won't come on the way while you're working. This will be dividing this into two. Okay, then you start work. This is the koi custard I will be using. This is anti-jackie koi lala. You can use any koi custard of your choice or any gel of your choice. You can use eco styling gel. I think my own got finished, that's why I'm using this koi custard. You can use any cream of your choice, like what's the cheapest? You can use any gel of your choice. Okay, yeah, rub it through the hair and then twist it.
No be say me I do pass them, but it be like say I'm blessed past them. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one.
So now after twisting your hair, fold it through the hair like so. Like, it's a very simple and self-explanatory style. So I'll let you guys watch through and I will be back.
I'll always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me there. I say for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, aside they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. You know, say now it's important on the coast, my guy. Hey, I'm at the edge on the beat. The edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I'd do anything for you. I'd go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I'd do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah, I go take you down the I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, then I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be at the few it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine tits. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything walokasa. Mwachipu kelo welu beauty at bossa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sefano kwachipu delo one day your bula mumelo your bula kwamo wabelo.
So guys, we're coming to the end of this bantu knots. Like if your hair coils up a whole lot, you don't need to section your hair the way I section mine. Like you can make it bigger, but my hair doesn't coil that much, so that's why I section it the way I am sectioning it. Like as you can see, my bantu knots are not that big, okay? But if your hair coils up a whole lot, you don't have to make your bantu knot to be this small, okay? Same process. Twist it, then wrap it around until you're done.
For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. I say, for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, aside they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you alone.
So guys, our bantu knot is ready. So the next thing to do is to allow it to dry, like allow the whole hair to dry. What I did was to go to bed with the hair that way, then woke up the next morning, and this is the next morning. Okay, I went ahead to apply this coconut oil on my palm, then started loosening up the bantu knot like so. Like when I was losing this, I expected more coils than what I'm seeing, but come on, my hair doesn't coil up that much. I don't even know the type of my hair. I don't know my hair type. If you are good in all this natural hair and you can tell my hair type, please tell me my hair type. Is it 4B, 4C? Which other number? I don't really know my hair type. If you know my hair type, I'll be glad if you tell me my hair type. I don't know.
I will take you down after all this time. Not today. I will ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, don't say you my one and only. Do you do? Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, then I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be at the few it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine tits. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything walokasa. Mwachipu kelo welu beauty at bossa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sefano kwachipu delo one day your bula mumelo your bula kwamo wabelo no be ije mo jello. No be say me I do pass them, but it be like say I'm blessed past them. Chukua loka. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, don't say you my one and only. feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing. I'll always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. I say, for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, aside they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and I'm gonna.
So guys, go ahead and continue loosening up. Make sure the whole bantu knot is all loose. Like, check around, make sure you lose everything. Okay, I think I'm done. Then you go in with your pick, a comb. We need volume to this hair. Of course, you're not going to carry it this way. Go ahead and style it the way you want. I went ahead to use this comb to pick it up for more volume. Then pick the whole hair like so. Style it the way you want. Like, come on, be creative. Style it anyhow you want, and you have a beautiful style to rock. Now here I am trying to do my baby hairs. Okay, like as you can see, the style is already popping out. Like, it came out looking so beautiful, and I love the outcome. I love the final look. Let me know what you guys think about this look. And my hair type, very important. Please, if you know my hair type, I will appreciate if you tell me my hair type. If you're watching from my Facebook page, feel free to share the video. You might be helping someone out there. And don't forget to like, leave your comments in the comment box below. If you have any question, if you have any look you want me to create for you, go ahead and leave it on the comment box below. And I'll be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.